over onto this dirt road to stretch and get my phone charger. We're about, God, I'm gonna guess 20 minutes from International Falls and about an hour from Voyageurs, which is our destination. So not too bad. Hasn't been too bad. It has been raining for the last hour. Probably won't be on the lake today. We'll be car camping tonight, which I'm kind of looking forward to, but no, hasn't been a pretty good drive. I don't know if you can tell. I don't know what I am looking like. Oh, I'm looking a little tired. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, well, I tried to flip my schedule last night off of my night shift schedule, and I got 8 hours of sleep. I felt pretty good this morning, but I think my body is trying to flip me back over. Drank all my coffee, that helped. I don't feel terrible, but I can definitely feel sluggish isn't the right word. I don't know what the word is. I can just feel it in my eyes. It's not like I'm fighting sleep. It's just I can feel that normally I would be passed out right now on a regular weekday. But yeah, let's get back on the road. Not too far from here. It's been a pretty good drive. I don't mind these long drives. It's a nice little road trip. 5.5 hours isn't that bad anyway, so let's do it. We made it. Oh look, some blue sky. We are in a severe thunderstorm watch, and the water probably doesn't show up, no, but it's really choppy, so we'll be spending the night in the Jeep, but happy to finally be here. Oh, I also got to rearrange the back so I can actually sleep tonight. I think I'm going to put down one of the seats so I can hopefully stretch out, because I don't want to sleep in the driver's seat all night if I don't have to. So alright, well, I'm gonna eat, go to the visitor center, but yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hopefully it is a little bit calmer. Morning. What a difference 12 hours make. We are all packed up, ready to go. Oh well, forgot my freaking paddles, but fun little occurrence happened. My key fob to my car is dead, so I can still start it. I guess there's a little thing that Jeep does where you, maybe any auto push button, I should say, push button start car does, where you can put the key fob up to the start and stop button, and it'll still start. I won't lock my car when I'm gone. I'm not too worried about it. I don't actually have anything in there besides some papers, so shouldn't be a big deal, but that's fun. Kind of need these. But we're gonna launch 6:06. Sun will be rising in about 20 minutes, so we're gonna get going. The wind's gonna pick up in the next couple hours, which kind of sucks, but hopefully by the time it picks up we'll be basically almost there. I think The map said it was like 2.2 miles. Hopefully it only takes us about an hour and a half, 2 hours, but we'll see. We are loaded down. All right, let us launch. All right, back with the GoPro. I bought 3 batteries with me. One of them died on the way up. I was able to charge it. That one's in the camera now. It's like halfway charged. And then I have one more full battery. There's a super angry squirrel. I don't know if you guys can hear him, but he's on that tree there. I don't think he's happy with my presence. But anyway, yeah, so these GoPro batteries, man, they say, oh, you'll be able to film for like 8 hours with one. No, it's like 3 at best. So I would show you guys more of what I do, but because I am limited with the battery lives, it'd be more overviews, I guess you could say. But I am trying to find where I'm gonna set up my hammock. I knew coming into this campsite there wasn't really a defined good hammocking spot I could find with like the pictures of the campsite. But when I was paddling in, I saw these trees, and I actually think this might be the perfect spot because it would give us a super good view of the sunrise. So if we were to go this tree to that tree, ooh, we'd have that view, which I don't think you can really beat. So right now, this is the prime spot. Choice number 1, I think. There's not really any spots up here. As you can see, a lot of foliage. Not really a whole lot of good spots for a hammock. And that's all we have, so. But I think actually that spot down there is perfect. Perfect. So, yeah, we just got everything unpacked. I dried off my feet, put some socks on. And now I'm just gonna set up a chair, I think, and relax for a little while. Continue watching the sunrise. This dock down here is actually way nicer than I thought it would be. It looks new. So maybe sit down there. Should be a nice day, about 73 for a high, so still a bit chilly. So I got my rain jacket on. But yeah. Beautiful sunrise. The animals are going nuts. I had a loon right over here earlier. He came up around that bend. He called a few times. That was nice. Favorite bird. But I got breakfast going. Some coffee. Gonna sit, finish watching the sunrise. And read a bit. That's the book I'm reading. About a trip to Mexico from hell, quote unquote. So yeah, we will, well, I'll say I will pull you guys back probably later on today. I might go out on the kayak, I think, and do that after breakfast. But yeah. Round 2 coming up. Quite dark out still. It's 5:30. You can't see it, but, well, yeah, you can't see it, but I got everything packed up and we're about to hit the water. Shaping up to be another beautiful morning. You got the stars out still. The sun's starting to peek around, but water looks about as calm as it's gonna be today. So we're gonna get going. All right, we are packed up. It is 8:44. We had to go all the way back to the campsite and all the way back. So about 6.5 miles today on the lake. Not easy. I am tired, but we forgot the GoPro, which is dead, which is why I'm not using it. But let's see. So key fob is dead. Let's see if our little trick works still, hopefully. If not, it's gonna just prolong this morning. Oh my god, thank god. Alright. It's time to go get some coffee and head home. So I'm gonna do just that. Oh, my upper body is killing me. Holy crap. Yeah, I just wanted to make a video like this just for personal reasons. I mean, I wanted to see what I could do with the GoPro, but also just for our family and stuff, to let them see kind of what these trips are like that I take by myself. I mean, this is only the second trip I've done alone, so, but I'm sure there'll be plenty more in the future. So but yeah, I'm gonna head home. So we'll see you guys next time, if there is a next time. I'm so tired.